friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I am currently uploading every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday with bonus uploads sometimes in between. I also have two other channels that are going to keep me very busy basically through the rest of the summer. I have a vlog channel and I've got a slew of vlogs coming up. I'm not kidding. I did a lot of solo travel vlogs pre-COVID. I always tell you guys, it's like Wyoming, Colorado. I was trying to finish the 50 states and then coronavirus hit. I only have 5 more states. So I vlogged all of that. There's baby stuff coming up, pregnancy stuff coming up if you're interested in that. I also have a reselling channel. So one of my part-time jobs, yes, boyfriend? Oh dear, he's gonna start this precedent. At least if you come in, you gotta say hi.
Hi.
Wave. There you go. Anyways. Reselling channel.
Can I go by though?
Yeah.
Yeah, get my controller.
Okay. Resell. He's in my office. Reselling channel, which I've been reselling clothing, shoes, handbags, all that stuff on Amazon, eBay, and Poshmark. I always link those two channels. Exit stage right, stage left, down below. I'm excited, friends. I finally have all 3 IPSYs. If you are new around here, I have been subscribed to IPSY for 5 years. Always paid for it with my own money, and this is the first time. I've been talking about this for so long that I would get all 3 and review them. So these are all July. I'm a little bit late. It's July 26th. I'm gonna film this and edit it and get it posted the same day. I think I got them all by like July 22nd, so I'm excited. Let's jump in. First up, we'll do the normal IPSY. Grab a snack, friends. I have my water. I have my coffee drink. You guys know I don't like coffee. It's literally like 1/4 cup of coffee and a bunch of sugar. We'll start with the IPSY. That's $12 a month. I didn't do the thumbnail yet, so I probably should have opened this a little neater. This is probably gonna be long. Grab a snack, grab a drink. Oh, the bag is interesting. It feels kind of like plasticky, but I like it. It's like one of those bags you can wipe off. So this one is $12 a month. I do like the bag. Oh, my lights are blinding it, but oh, there you can go. It says escape in the middle. I like it. Some of these bags are hit or miss, you guys. I always tell you, either I love them or I can't stand them. There's extra products in here. Let's open this first. Oh, okay. So this is, wow, this smells very plasticky. It's like taking me back to elementary school. Those little plastic bags that you would put your pencils in. This is, oh God, I'm not gonna butcher the brand. I will show you a close-up. They are peeling radiance pads. I've tried something similar to this from Amazon. I showed it to you guys in my Amazon haul. I'll link it down below. They didn't do anything for me. I'll keep trying these. They're cruelty-free, they're vegan. I mean, this type of like skincare item. I tried the ones from Amazon. They were green tea peeling pads, and I didn't notice any difference in the texture on my forehead. I get sun rashes on my forehead. So basically, if I don't wear sunscreen and the sun hits my forehead, I get these little bumps. It's so annoying. So then I have to exfoliate, dry it out, tone it, then put sunscreen, and it'll usually dissipate. But I'll try these again. I like the packaging. Is there anything else in here? I haven't had the normal IPSY bag since it was $10 a month, and probably for like a year or two. Because once they did Glam Bag Plus, I canceled my normal IPSY, and then once they did Glam Bag Ultimate, I canceled Plus. So I haven't had this normal one in a long time. Oh, this brush is cute. I forget who makes it, but it's just like a little glitter handle brush with the white brush head. You guys know I'm not a fan of light brush heads. I don't know. I think it's just all in my head. Because if you use a darker colored brush head, it's still getting dirty. But with the white ones, you just see it a lot faster. This is from Koki. This is their Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow. Let's swatch this. I'm going to be a swatched mess by the end of this. And I'm trying to not use makeup. Oh, gosh, it's kind of patchy. Makeup remover wipes anymore because they're really bad for the environment. That's what I used to use for swatches. It looks really pretty from afar, but it skips a lot. Maybe, is it buildable? Kind of. We'll have to try that on the eye. No smell though. It's very pretty from afar. Maybe I won't put it all over the lid. This might be something that I just dab in the center of the eye. It's very pretty, but I don't know if you can see that. It just skips a lot and it's very wet. And I have, this sounds weird, but I have really crinkly eyelids. Not crinkly, wrinkly. Crinkly, same thing. And Yeah, wet stuff just doesn't look good on it. Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. I just want to smell this. Oh, it doesn't smell too synthetic-y. It does have like a little sweet smell, but it's not super bad. And it's a little tiny size, 0.17 fluid ounces. I'm just putting things on the floor here so I can kind of keep it like an organized madness. And then Beauty for Real Really Red Lip Cream. This is pretty. I'm going to use this. It has like a little film over it, but that looks like a pretty color that would look nice on me. And then there's a little card in here. Take a break, airplane mode, little cute stuff. Blah, blah, blah about the Glam Bag. So for 12 bucks, that's not bad. I would prefer it was $10, but I mean, it's a $2 difference. I don't think that's bad. You got the eyeshadow, the Koki stuff, the brush, the lip oil, the lip cream, and then I actually like this bag, so that's not bad. For 12 bucks, I wouldn't be mad at that. And this is actually drying pretty nicely. Gosh, when the light hits it, you guys, I cannot stand this hair. If you're subscribed to any of the other channels, you know I've complained about it. I've actually started taking it out in the back so that it's not such a long process. I have a lot of hair, my natural hair, I have a lot of hair, so I think taking this out is gonna take me a day or two, but I want it out. I'm sick of these damn twists. What a waste of money. I think this is one hairstyle I can safely say I'll never get again. Glam Bag Ultimate. There is an update for Glam Bag Ultimate. Let me tell you. Let me grab my phone. Hang on. Sorry, this is Glam Bag Plus. So Glam Bag Plus, $25 a month. You get to choose 3 of your 5 full-size favorites. Well, that's nice. So you can do that between the 1st and the 3rd of every month. Well, that's pretty cool. So you get to choose 3 of the 5 items. And you can add on up to 8 extra faves. Do you guys ever add on? I never add on anything. Okay. Let me put my phone down. 25 bucks a month. I think out of all the IPSYs I've had over the years, Glam Bag Plus was my favorite. So I haven't had it since October or September of 2019. So let's see. First up, from Yensa. IPSY sends this brand a lot. This is the Super 8 Lip Oil. Oh boy, I have so many lip oils already. Have you guys tried this? Let me know what you think if you have. I'm just working through a lot of lip oils right now. Oh yeah, I remember seeing this online. You guys, I did see what I was getting in my boxes. The beginning of July? I don't even remember. That's really bright. I don't think I'll use that. It might show up clear, but it's just shockingly bright. Tarte Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. God, I can't remember. I think the last Tarte mascara I used was the Lights Camera Lashes. I used to like it a lot. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm pretty sure this has to be full size. I like the packaging. I'm just working through a lot of mascaras now. If you guys like that one, let me know. You guys always correct me on this, but I really remember Glam Bag Plus. I thought it had more products than it does, but it doesn't. I don't know. Is this Il Makiage? I love Il Makiage's packaging. So this is an Il Makiage eyeshadow. How the hell do you open this box? Oh, there's tape. Because there's tape on everything. It's so unnecessary. Such a waste of packaging, in my opinion. How do you open this? A couple of you noticed that I'm like constantly out of breath. Supposedly, according to all my apps, the baby only weighs a pound, but good Lord, I feel like I get half the amount of oxygen in that I used to. Like just sitting here, I just feel like out of breath. Oh, that's cool. Once you get the tape off, it opens like that. This packaging is bomb. This feels so sturdy and like high end. Ooh, look at that color. It's my favorite color, friends. It's purple. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Yes, Lord. These eyeshadows are really pretty, you guys. There was no skipping involved in that. I really like this box. Once you get it open, that feels really nice. That's my favorite product so far. And then from Real Her, IPSY sends this a lot. I think BoxyCharm used to send this a lot. Tape. Why all the tape? This is a 24, well, it's just an eyeliner. Is that it? So So you get 4 products? I have to be missing something, right? Okay, last time I know you guys were like, you only get 5 products, but I only have 4. I have to be missing something, right? Doesn't Glam Bag Plus come with more than 4 products? And I also have the bag, Wanderlust. It's purple. That same plasticky smell, but I really like the bag. Am I missing something? 1, 2... Yeah, there's only 4 products in here. Okay, this time I don't think I'm missing anything. I probably can email them and they'll send. I'm pretty sure, you guys always correct me, I thought Glam Bag Plus was 5 products. I mean, that's still okay for 25 bucks, I guess. I don't know. We'll have to see which one is my favorite at the end. So now we are on to Ultimate. Ultimate is $50 a month. Probably my least favorite out of all the boxes I've been subscribed to in 5 years. I'll just let you watch the reviews I've already done. I've had this box since October, and we'll just see this time. I do like the bags, though. The smell's kind of alarming, but this one says now boarding. It's all about travel, which is ironic because I can't go anywhere. All right, ooh, I love when they send Catherine Melandrino perfumes. This one is called Special Moments. Let's see. It's a little tester size. I really like them. They're very sweet. It smells very sweet, very like traditional, feminine, whatever that means. It just smells so sweet and girly. Oh, I love getting perfumes and subscription boxes. Some more beauty for real. So these are shadow sticks. I never use shadow sticks. I don't know why. I just don't reach for them. So that'll probably be something I pass on to someone else. There's a lot of stuff in this box. What is this? The Roost? Look at this packaging. Oh, this is the brush set I chose, I think. Coco, stop. Coco! Is anybody else's dog suffering from allergies right now? My dog has really bad allergies, so the vet said to give him a Benadryl a day, and then I have to keep his hair shaved short, but he's a Shih Tzu, so when his hair is shaved short, he just looks like a rat to me. I'm sorry, I don't get down with the rat vibes, the rat dog look, but I have to in the summer because he just gets really itchy. Ooh, these are soft. So this is the item I picked. So you get 3 5 brushes. Oh, they're really soft. I told you guys I'm going through brush bankruptcy, and I'm getting rid of I'd say like half of my 150 brushes just because I've had them for so long. I love eye patches. So I can't pronounce this brand. I think it's Jejun green tea gel eye patches. I love eye patches. They really do. Sometimes they don't change the way my under eyes look. Sometimes they do, especially the ones with the caffeine, but they just make my eyes feel soothed and relaxed and sometimes a little taut. I love doing it while I'm doing my makeup. You know what? This Glam Bag Ultimate ain't that bad this month. Pure Lease Cleansing Milk gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones and soothes, soap and sulfate free. I will give this a try. I haven't tried much from Pure Lease, but the stuff I have tried, can't get it open, I have really liked. So I told you guys I'm not the biggest fan of cleansing milk, but 5 fluid ounces, I'll give it a try. Why not? Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. Oh, Lord. That's one of the complaints I always had, is that Glam Bag Ultimate was like 80% skincare for me. And I keep telling them in all the quizzes they send, I want makeup and skincare. So, I don't know. I'll probably try that. I've never tried that brand. Tardis, another eyeliner? Double Take eyeliner. That looks like it's full size too. That's nice. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I know you guys always tell me, even though I have oily skin, hydrating primers can look really good. They don't look good on me, you guys. I do everything you say. I do everything makeup artists say, like to give a little glow. Here's the thing. Oh my God, sorry I'm burpy. We had burgers for dinner. There's always an excuse for why I'm burping, why I'm farting, why my hair looks a mess. Welcome to NikkiBeautyBlis. This is the natural world of beauty here. I don't like hydrating primers, you guys. I already have natural glows and oils that come through, and no matter what I do, no matter how much I bake, what setting spray I use, what powder I use, hydrating primers just make me look like an oily, slicky mess. I don't like it. I don't know. I think I'm just one of those oily people that is just too oily for hydrating primers. A lot of you tell me that you can do it. I can't, girlfriend. Oh, I don't really like getting hair mask. I'll try it though. I'm about to take these twists out and wash my real hair. This is Foxy Bay Replenishing Hair Mask. It's sulfate free and paraben free, and it has biotin. Have any of you tried this? It's cruelty free and vegan. Let me know. I'm about to deep condition my hair, so I'll try it. I'm actually liking this Ultimate this month. I think this is the first time in months I've liked Ultimate. I love a good coffee scrub. Coffee scrubs are so good to reduce the appearance of cellulite. It doesn't make it go away completely, but it helps to plump the skin, exfoliate the skin. I did an old video on my channel if you want to search for it on how I make my own coffee scrubs. I will definitely use this. It is a mess in your shower though, because they usually have like some kind of oil, like coconut oil, jojoba oil. So just be careful if you use it in the shower, because your shower will get really oily. This is vegan eyeshadow and blush palette from Seraphine. I did not want this. It looked so boring, you guys. I don't even want to open it because I know I'm going to pass it on. I just remember a lot of the shades were so light that I would never wear them. I'm just going to pass this on to someone. It's pretty for anyone who likes neutral shades. And I'm the weirdo who likes I literally have on 3 shades of blue. I'm not a weirdo. I'm just unique. I have 3 shades of blue on my eyes just to film this video. And then I'm going to go sit on my couch and watch How to Get Away with Murder. Why didn't anyone tell me about that show? My mom used to tell me, because I used to watch Scandal and Grey's Anatomy. And she's like, it's a pretty good show. Why don't you watch it? I mean, that show, even my boyfriend and he likes it too. The first 2 seasons literally had me on the edge of my seat. That show is wild. I really like it. Hydra Soother. I'm all over the place. Balancing Radiance Cream. Duft and Soft. I don't know. I'm working through a lot of skincare, and this is really tiny. I'm going to be honest, I probably won't try that. Okay, that was it for Ultimate. And honestly, I think Ultimate was my favorite this month, which is shocking because I think almost every Ultimate I've gotten is usually not my favorite. So, wow. That was pretty eye-opening. And I'm pretty sure, you guys let me know, but I'm pretty sure my Glam Bag Plus is supposed to have 5 items, and I only have 4. You saw that. So I'm thinking Glam Bag Ultimate may have won. We will see. Come back August 2nd. We'll see what I get in my August bags. I'll keep unboxing them. You guys said you want to see them. This was really fun. I don't think I'm going to keep all 3, though, like forever. It just seems excessive, because a lot of this stuff I won't use. Actually, this month, a lot of the stuff I will use, but usually it's like 50-50. So let me know which box was your favorite this month. Do you get multiple boxes? Or if you've watched till the end, because I know I've been talking a lot, which one was your favorite? Yeah. Anything else I need to tell you? I can barely breathe. Baby's like sitting like on, I feel like the baby's like sitting on a lung or something. I have been an editing and uploading machine. I edited and uploaded a new reselling video today. I finally got a new vlog up. It's basically just me in my new kitchen at my new apartment, unboxing my grocery delivery and just catching you up on what's been happening. So if you're into that type of stuff, check it out. I'm going to be thrifting a lot because I'm scared that LA is going to shut down again. They're saying that they might do a full shutdown again. So yeah, if you're into like thrifting and reselling, subscribe to that channel. I'm going to go so I can take off my maternity shorts and breathe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check out my most recent video right here.